Kotzebue, Alaska, US, October 22nd, 2024. A coastal storm that first hit northwest Alaska on Sunday caused significant flooding and high winds Thursday in several communities around Kotzebue, with rising water levels not expected to let up until Wednesday morning. The National Weather Service reported that the water levels in Kotzebue are 3 to 4 feet above the normal high tide line, with up to 55 miles per hour wind still expected. The Weather Service says significant beach erosion is likely. The city of Kotzebue said it was working to establish emergency evacuation centers and urged displaced residents or those needing immediately evacuations to call the city planning department. City officials say the plan to coordinate with Kotzebue's tribe to issue an emergency declaration. Officials said two households had already been evacuated as of early Tuesday afternoon. Kotzebue's airport is also inaccessible due to ice push onto the runway by high winds, with officials say further complicated the response effort. Many residents posted on social media about the flooding, with one lifelong resident who lives by Kotzebue's seawall calling the flooding the highest water they've ever seen. Residents also reported flooding near the community's buildings, lagoon, teacher housing, and the north side of town. Photos and videos posted on social media also show structures at fish camps on the city's northeast side of town washing away.
Can win it, man. They're contenders now. First time in a decade, couple decades.
Northwest Arctic Borough Mayor said he was working on a coordinated emergency effort with multiple local and state agencies and would provide an update once he had more information. Several homes were damaged and critical infrastructure became non-operational in Kotzebue when a fall storm brewed a severe flood, local officials said. After the storm's destruction, local agencies were providing evacuees with essential and assessing damage Wednesday. The flooding also left 3 people stranded on the roof of a fish camp cabin, prompting a helicopter rescue Wednesday, Alaska State Troopers said.
As you guys can see, it's gotten a lot worse.
City of Kotzebue officials said at least one home collapsed into Kotzebue Sound. The boat harbor was destroyed. The North End City fish camp collapsed and several roads were washed away. The Crowley docks and the first and second bridges also collapsed. With both runways underwater, the Ralph Wynn Memorial Airport was closed for nearly 2 days, city officials said. Poor visibility, strong winds, and high surf had hindered responders' ability to evacuation. A Red Dog mine employee on an A-Star helicopter from Pathfinder Aviation was able to evacuate people was affected by the storm in Wednesday and brought them to safety in Kotzebue. In town, water levels kept rising until around midnight, said Northwest Arctic Borough Mayor. A flood of this scale hasn't happened in Kotzebue since 1991, he said.